What is up, guys? We are back in the Fix Racer. Today, I have something to say to you. This is the final race, also known as Interlagos final race at the calendar career. This corner is flat, but you'll lose one gear though. So turn 1 is where I had the big crash there. Almost everyone crashed. Only like a few drivers survived the crash. A few cars survived the crash. Yeah, it's probably Yuki Tsunoda and Valtteri Bottas made something very bad because I hit Yuki Tsunoda and Valtteri Bottas got him upside down, and they're turned into a sandwich. That's one lap of Brazil. We have a great drive, pole position. 5 lights out, and away we go. We're gonna help Jace. Helping Jace already. Oh, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Oh, yeah. Here we come. Here we come. Uh-oh. Don't crush me. Don't crush me. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. Whoa. She just blocked the track. Like nothing happened. Can we get the inside of Dennis? Can we get the inside? Come on! Oh no! But we made contact. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, bro! Oh my god, that's a big crash there. I think it's Geomatik. Geomatik had the huge crash there. It's one of the biggest crashes I've ever seen in this entire FX Racer Championship. Okay. I was just non-stop singing there. And we're on lap 8 and we've got overtaken. Watch out, Neo! Woo! Hallelujah! Now here we are on lap number 12. And we take the lead. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Yeah, I had a crash there that sent me down into 4th place. No. It was actually in the pit lane. Sorry. It's in the pit lane. Tyree. Blue flag, blue flag, blue flag. Now here we come on lap 18 and we pit for super softs. Okay, I wanna save more time so it doesn't get more boring. Blue flag, Tyree. Okay, Kylene, you're next to be blue flagged. Oops. Blue flag. Blue flag. Nice, thanks. Oh, no. Ooh, that was close. That was so close. So close. Come on. Here comes my teammate, Ankit Roy. But you have to be blue flagged. Blue flagged. Blue flag. Give me the position. Oh, we made contact. We made contact with the engine driver. And we lapped Kimi. Not Raikkonen. Boy. Lol. I don't know what to say. So we're coming on lap 19. So I'm so fast. Like, why are the AI so slow? Make them faster. Faster. Dennis. Blue flag, blue flag, blue flag. I leave it over. And give you back the position. And give you go back the position. Hey, stay out. Stay out. Okay, blue flag. Ay, 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 ay. Whoa, that was quite big. Last lap of the race. Let's go. Last lap of the race, and we know I'm gonna win this. This is an easy chance for me to win the race. This is the DRS zone. I will show you another lap then to remember my mind. I can see some cars. Okay, going to sixth gear. Come on, I'm so excited to be 3 times world champion. Okay. Okay, we're so close to Unibel. Blue flag. Oh, that's not good. Okay, Vicky, looks like you're the last nearest one. Blue flag. Blue flag. Abracadabra, alakazam. Oh, wait, it's working. Yes, the checkered flag is out. We have won the Brazilian Grand Prix. We have won the Brazilian Grand Prix, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We are the champions. We are the champions. Yes. 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 World champion. Let's go. This is the qualifying. Woo! Jace survived it. Jace survived it. Let's go. Woo! What a nice, what a nice, what a nice race, guys. Goodbye, guys. We're gonna change the championship. Then we'll go back to the race of the subs at season 5. Goodbye, guys.